Well, here it is, my Fox Alien XE Pro with this upgraded 65 millimeter 1.5 kilowatt spindle, upgraded deck, running on a Surface Go. Built a little shelf on the side of the cart with a remote display, just waiting for the little mount from Pro Cnc to mount that to the surface. Over here we have a H100 spindle and water lines to boot. Great little setup, works perfectly. As you can see here, I just finished cutting this. Took about 30 minutes and that's at 200%.